Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the magic of Centrify Agent. Imagine a world where Linux security is stronger, authentication is seamless, and managing users feels effortless. Yes, it's possible. Centrify Agent steps in as your security superhero, integrating with Active Directory to centralize authentication. No more access nightmares. So sit tight, because by the end of this presentation, you'll see why your Linux system deserves this upgrade. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system. Intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Alright, let's get to the basics. What is Centrify Agent? Think of it as the digital gatekeeper for your Linux and Unix systems, ensuring that only the right people get through. It helps lock down unauthorized access while keeping security policies in check. Basically, it's your system's bodyguard, keeping threats at bay while making authentication a breeze. And no, it doesn't wear sunglasses, but it's still pretty cool. Now, why should you care about Centrify Agent? Well, for starters, it makes your life easier. No more juggling endless passwords or dealing with messy access issues. It streamlines authentication, improves security, and ensures compliance, so you won't have to worry about any unpleasant surprises. In short, it's like having a security expert working behind the scenes, minus the coffee addiction. Alright folks, let's get that Linux system into its designated zone. First, we need to ensure the Centrify Agent is installed. No agent, no fun. Then let's check that we have solid network connectivity to Active Directory. Without it, we're stranded. The magic happens with the join command. Run it with the right credentials. Finally, let's double-check that our system shows up where it's supposed to. Easy, right? Installation done. Great. But now, let's see if everything is actually working. First, we check whether our system popped up in Active Directory. Visibility is key. Next, let's test user authentication. If users can't log in, we've got a problem. Privileged accounts should be accessible, but only to the right people. Lastly, running basic Centrify commands will give us the thumbs up we need. If everything checks out, we're golden. Troubleshooting where tech pros earn their stripes. First up, if things aren't working, network issues or incorrect credentials might be the culprits. Next, logs are our best friends. Error messages practically scream the answer at us. Sometimes systems end up in the wrong zone, so double-check that. Lastly, if all else fails, make sure those Centrify services are actually running. A little patience and we'll have everything back on track. Like everything else in tech, our Centrify Agent needs updates too. First, check if there's a new version available. No point in updating something that's already up to date. Then download and install it, making sure it's the correct version for your system. Before hitting that update button, verify compatibility. You don't want surprises. Finally, test the setup after installation to ensure everything still works smoothly. Easy maintenance equals fewer headaches. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.